So this is Mr. Huff. Let's talk about rocket engine mounts and marking your body tube for fins, okay? So for the engine mounts, you need these parts. You'll need 2 mounting rings. You'll need this little clip, and you need the engine tube. Notice the engine tube has this tiny slot right here. That is for this piece to fit into. So there they are again. So that piece will fit in there, and then we need to lock it down, and we also need to make it where this part at the end on the left side here will still move. So what you'll do is take one of your rings and put on where the slot is away from the piece of metal. You just slide it in from this end with the piece of metal in place. Go a little bit past that slot there, and this will hold this piece of the engine clip in. And then the other one, slide it on from the other end and line this cut up with this piece. And that way the end down here can flex, but not the one at the top of the body, the engine tube. Okay, so it should look kind of like this when you're done. Notice how this upper one, the upper ring, the slot is on the back, not on the front. And then what you'll do is you'll put some glue on these rings and inside your body tube, and you will slide this whole assembly into the body tube until about 1/4 of an inch of it is sticking out the bottom, okay? And what that's going to let you do is you can slide an engine in here. It will clip in right here. This upper piece of this metal part will hold it into the rocket to keep it from sliding deeper in, okay? So that's real quick rundown of how to assemble the engine mount and insert that. All right. I printed these little 360 things, and most of you are using either 3 or 4 fins. So you have a little circle in the middle. You can look down through the tube and kind of line that up in the center. And you can use these as places to guide your marks. So what you'll do is, like right here, I'm marking at 90 degrees. I'm going to put a little mark right here at the bottom of the body tube. I would recommend pencil in case you make a mistake. So then what we're going to do is we'll go to a door frame. And what you're going to do is you will take a Sharpie and rest against the door frame here, and you'll put your body tube in this slot, and you will rotate the body tube until the marker held against the frame right here is resting on your mark. Okay, so it's kind of a little bit of a twist, and hold it right there. So you're holding this steady on the door frame, and then you have the body tube right here. This is lined up perfectly with your mark, and then you just slide this straight down the length that you need to go. So there is another picture of that. See how the tip of the marker is right on that line? And then you'll just slide down, and what that's going to do is make a perfectly straight line following the body tube up from that point that you marked. Okay, so that is a real quick run through of how to assemble your engine mount, how to assemble your engine mount, and how to mark your body tube for the fins. All right, that's all I have for now. Thank you for watching.